One thing I would like to draw your attention to is that to renew your conditional cert, you do not need equity or STEM hours. It's just 50 clock hours of whatever you did. So that doesn't have to be STEM or equity. However, if you look at your SPS transcript, and you do see that you took an equity course or a STEM course in SPSU, you definitely need to identify that because at some point you're going to have to renew your residency cert. So to already have those identified in OSPI's EDS system will be very, very helpful to you and reduce that amount of stress or worry. Do I have enough hours? So I just want to show you that real quickly. So this past summer, I did participate in the Summer Institute, and I did take a class called Foundations of Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion and Belonging in K-12 Education. So let's look at this real quick, how I logged it. So my begin date and my completion date, actually, I need to change this. My completion date for this, oh, they have it. I have it right. Never mind. Is August 19th. So again, these are clock hours, and Spokane Public Schools is the provider. And I did put the full class name. As you can see, I've got that it's diversity equity, but it's okay if you have a class that did address equity and inclusion and maybe it doesn't have it in the title. It's still okay for you to identify that as diversity, equity, inclusion. Just make sure you're honest about that. So this was 1.5 clock hours. And so in this box here where it says if you needed STEM hours or equity hours, this was 1.5 equity hours. So I identified it there. So not only do you identify it here, you identify it here, but it does not add up to 3 hours. Okay. So I hope you understand that. And again, this is identified as general study, not suicide prevention, not issues of abuse, and click save. And there it is. Okay. So again, if you have something in your transcript that is STEM or equity, you will need it at some point to renew your residency certificate. So go ahead and as you're logging your clock hours from your transcript, make sure that you do that and identify that.